1 Minute Greek, Lesson 3. Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Greek, where you can learn Greek 1 minute at a time with me, Mark.
And me, Eleni.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Greek. You can guarantee that if you say this to a Greek speaker, they will be very impressed with your skills, and remember that a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Greek in Greek is...
Ελληνικά.
Let's repeat that.
Ελληνικά.
Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again.
Ελληνικά.
To say, I speak Greek, you say...
Μιλάω. Ελληνικά.
Now, note that in Greek, you don't need the word for I, because I is already contained in the ending of the word miláo. Don't worry about this just now. Listen again.
Μιλάω. Ελληνικά.
One more time.
Μιλάω. Ελληνικά.
We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I can speak a little Greek. To say a little in Greek, you can say
Lígho.
When we put lígho together with μιλάω ελληνικά, it changes slightly. Listen to how you say, I speak a little Greek.
Μιλάω. Λίγα. Ελληνικά.
So you may have noticed that lígho changed to lígha there. Don't worry about that. It's simply because it's something like describing how many words in ελληνικά you speak. Listen to this phrase again.
Μιλάω. Λίγα ελληνικά.
Try it one more time.
Μιλάω. Λίγα ελληνικά. Time's up.
We're sure that the new words you've learned today will go down well with any Greek-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. You can find out lots more at www.oneminute-languages.com.
That's all for today. Αντίο και ευχαριστώ.
This is a production of the Radio Lingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.